I'm standing in downtown Wetumpka, Alabama for Hgtv's Home Town Takeover.
I'm behind the scenes getting an exclusive where Ben and Erin have brought on a crew of local reno pros, from builders to carpenters and local artists, who are helping them transform a big part of the small town of Wetumpka.
I'm Jason Pickens, and I'm from a small town just like this one. Now, this side of the Coosa River here is where the heartbeat of the city is. It's where the restaurants are, the shops are. But on that side of the river, it's more residential. That's where all of the people who make up this wonderful place live.
I'm heading over to one of the biggest renovations Ben and Erin are taking on here, the Big Fish House. So once you go over this most adorable bridge, you see the Big Fish House right here. The main street leads you right to it.
Hey, we're the Whitfield family here in Wetumpka, Alabama, and we live in the historic Big Fish House, the movie set for Tim Burton's movie, The Big Fish, that was filmed here about 16 years ago.
Shelley and her family have been struggling to make progress on their own and are really feeling the weight of owning the most recognizable home in town.
These are beautiful interior chandeliers suspended by some rotting drywall.
Help is on the way because Ben and Erin are taking on the Big Fish House as part of their residential renovations.
This house deserves to be something magnificent, especially for our community. The community loves this house. It means everything to us. It means everything to people that love the movie, and it could just be something so special.
And like Shelley says, we've bitten off way more than we could chew.
Yo, Neil!
Hey, Jason.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good. How about you, huh?
You're working.
It looks like it, right? Looks can be deceiving. No,
So you're from here?
I
You
am.
live here?
Yes, I'm from Alabama.
Okay.
We've been living here
That makes us
16
brothers.
years. It does.
Because I'm also from Alabama. This is a beautiful town that you
It
live
is,
in.
yeah.
Why did you choose to live here?
I worked for the government, and the agency I worked for gave me a choice to move here, and here we are. We had one day to find a house.
Wow.
And but it's awesome. This is home. We love it. I retired 2 years ago, opened my wood shop, been building furniture, and so excited to be a part of this.
It just so happens that the house was originally built with one story, and then the second story was added just for the Big Fish movie. When the family moved in, it was just studs and plywood, and the staircase, Shelley can fill you in.
Prepare to be underwhelmed. This is our staircase. No railing, no riser.
What's happening in here?
What we have to do here for the stairs going up to the second floor is we've got to get it up to code. We got to put some spindles in a banister. Yeah, instead of 50 spindles that are all the same, we're going to do 2 or 3 one style, 2 or 3 another, all the way down. So that's a little bit of a challenge. I've never been asked to do that before, but it's nothing. We're going to do it.
Yeah,
we're going to make it
Longleaf's
good.
got it. So this is all coming out. What room are we in right now?
This part is the kitchen. These are the beams. They've torn the ceilings out, and we're going to use the joists here for the banister. It'll make a good banister. You can tell by the grain, it's old heart pine.
So I have so many questions. So you're a furniture maker, and I'm a furniture maker also.
Yeah.
I know as a small business owner, you have tons to do constantly. You live here, you have friends here. How does it feel to get to help your friends out?
Shelley Whitfield is so tireless in what she does, and she is so bought into this community. And I want her to be proud of it, and I want her to come down those stairs, look at the banister and look at the spindles and go, man, this is cool.
Check out this sneak peek of Ben and Erin's biggest project in Wetumpka, the Big Fish House.
Oh, here it is, right up here around the curve. You can see it.
I can see them. Oh my gosh, they're home. They're like in the driveway. They're in the driveway. They're
Oh,
doing groceries.
shoot.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm really having a moment here. Welcome to Wetumpka. Big Fish is my all-time favorite movie, and I've seen it probably 200 times.
Oh my gosh.
See a lot of rot.
Yes,
It really needs some serious help.
it does. It needs some love.
It needs some love.
The good thing about today is that you're going to get some help.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Ah, I did